She was teaching me how to play guitar in her house as music class. Room full of male students, none of them showed up brass. Her taste in music rather exquisite, certainly not for the mass. Every good boy deserves favors, while a cow eats grass. She asked me, what's on your mind? When I felt she's not being fair, said can cope with my wife leaving me, but I just hate losing my hair. If I only could know you better, then I won't be so stressed. Every good boy deserves favors, while the cow eats grass. She laughed and said, remember this, if you ever get to the top, there are three things in this life that you never need to buy. A Rolex watch, red Ferrari, and a Sunburst Gibson guitar. It's never been how good you are, but who you know in secular life. Every good boy deserves favors, while a cow eats grass. Yes, every good boy deserves favors. A cow eats grass. Question is, how long do you wait before you can get your chance? It's like being in equilibrium on a land full of broken glass. Is it fair to ask when is the right time? Or do you just leave it to chance? Should it not be down to one's deeds rather than the power of brass? Yes, every good boy deserves favors, and a cow eats grass.